So now we're going into intervals, positive and negative, either positive or negative intervals. So on page 8 of your notebook, or your book, it says identify positive or negative intervals. This is example 3. For what intervals is f of x equals x squared minus 9 positive? For what intervals is the function negative? So if you look through your book, it should tell you when it's positive, when it's negative, and when it's neither. Alright? So pause this video, I guess, and look through your book. Then write it down on your notes. Alright. So for positive, it tells us when f of x is greater than 0, which is above the x-axis, when x is less than -3, and when x is greater than 3. So it's these parts right here. If it's less than -3, it's positive, the blue part. When it's greater than 3, it's positive. So that is the blue part. Okay. When it's negative, f of x is less than 0, which is below the x-axis. That is when x intercepts. It's between. Sorry, hold on. Between the x-intercepts of -3 and 3. So this whole area, orange, below the x-axis. Okay. So it's neither positive nor negative when neither positive nor negative when it's at 0. So when the graph is at the x-axis or x-intercepts. So you should know that the x-intercepts are these points right here. So at -3, 0, 3, 0, those are neither positive or negative. So they're not positive or negative. So let's write the intervals. So it's positive at interval -infinity to -3. We are not including -3 because it's neither positive or negative at -3. And remember, for infinity, always parentheses. Always parentheses. Same goes for 3 to infinity. Okay, now we're going to look at the interval of the negative, which is at -3 to 3. They're parentheses because at -3 over here and 3, it's neither positive or negative. So it's neither positive nor negative at x equals 3 and x equals -3. So these are your x-intercepts. Okay. So if you have any questions, leave it in the comment or email me or write it down on your notes for your question portion here.